Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question 3 divide 6, then it's all divide 3 multiply 6. Okay, so before I show you the answer, I want to see your answer. Okay, so please stop this video right now and type your step in comment. I am personally scoring every comment out of 10. So now let's see who gets a perfect score. Okay, no cheating, post your answer first, then watch the solution. Okay, so now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. So here we can write this question like 3 divide 6, then divide 3 multiply 6. Okay, now PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question, first we have to solve parenthesis. Okay. So here is one parenthesis and here is parenthesis. Both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay. So 3 divided by 6 is equal to 3 divided 3 is equal to 1. Then 3 divided 6 is equal to 2. So 1 upon 2 divide. Now solve this parenthesis. 3 multiply 6 is equal to 18. Now, according to KCF rule, K means keep 1 by 2 as it is same. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. And F means flip this last fraction 18 is equal to 1 upon 18. Now 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1. 2 multiply 18 is equal to 36. Okay. So the correct answer is 1 upon 36. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. And also do not forget to comment your answer because I am personally scoring every comment from out of 10. Okay. Thanks for watching this video.